वेलकम टू द बिहार टीचर्स हिस्ट्री मेकर्स। मेरा मोबाइल मेरी शिक्षा। आई एम डॉक्टर शोभा कुमारी हियर अगेन with you to continue with our first lesson. Do you remember what was our first lesson? Wait, let me show you something, then you will remember. Yes, can you see the picture here? Our first lesson was an extract written by him, that is Mahatma Gandhi. So before proceeding, let's have a quote of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi said, "First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, then they fight with you, and then you win." He meant to say that जब भी आप कुछ नया करने को जाते हैं, पहले लोग आपको इग्नोर करते हैं, आप पे ध्यान नहीं देते हैं, फिर आप पे हंसते हैं और फिर आपसे झगड़ा भी करते हैं और इसी क्रम में आप जीत जाते हैं. So with this, let's start our first lesson, which was Indian civilization and culture. So for that, let me show you the first page. In the previous video, we had done about the introduction part. So this is the first page. Our first lesson, Indian civilization and culture. Students, one thing you must keep in mind that we have to thoroughly read and understand the lesson or the text, because nowadays there are 50 marks questions, objective type questions, which comes from within the lesson. So until and unless you read the book thoroughly or understand while we are teaching you, pay attention and understand. If you don't do so, it will be difficult for you to score marks. So starting with the first paragraph, Gandhiji, as I said earlier, laid stress on Indian civilization and culture. He believed that Indian civilization was unbeatable or unmatchable, and he felt proud that our ancestors had sown so firm seeds of our civilization. He said that civilizations of Rome, Greece, they went and came, they started and ended, like the pharaohs also. The pharaohs are the Egyptian kings, which were very powerful when they were in while their reign, but nothing is said about them now. Japan, China, and many other civilizations came and went away or diminished, but Indian civilization stands firm. He says that in the first paragraph, he says that Europeans tried to copy the civilizations of Greece and Rome, which are not in their former glory. अभी पहले की तरह उनकी ख्याति अभी नहीं है. और Europeans thought that they will only take the better parts and they will ignore or avoid the mistakes which Rome and Greece did, but they could not do so. But Indian civilization is among all these civilizations, whichever you might have heard, it is very firm, it is immovable, and this is her glory. यही उसकी ख्याति का कारण है. पीपल चार्ज इंडिया, लोग इंडिया पे ये आरोप लगाते हैं कि इंडियन पीपल आर वेरी अनसिविलाइज्ड. ये लोग इंडियन जो हैं वो सिविलाइज्ड नहीं हैं, इग्नोरेंट हैं, और इन लोगों को बदला नहीं जा सकता है. इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू इंड्यूस देम टू अडॉप्ट एनी चेंजेस. बट गांधी सेज दैट दिस चार्ज इज अगेंस्ट आवर मेरिट. ऐसा नहीं है कि लोग हम बदल नहीं सकते हैं, बट हम बदलना नहीं चाहते हैं. वी डेयर नॉट चेंज, बिकॉज हमारा जो सिविलाइजेशन है, हमारा जो सभ्यता है हमारी, वो इतना फर्म है कि वी डोंट नीड एनी चेंज इन दैट. इतना अच्छा है कि, और यही हम जो इतना स्टेडी हैं, हम लोग इतना जो फर्म है अपने सिविलाइजेशन को लेके, दिस इज़ आवर ब्यूटी. और यही है हमारा सिविलाइजेशन का सुंदरता, हमारी खासियत यही है कि वी डोंट चेंज. एंड दिस इज़ हर ब्यूटी, इट इज़ द शीट एंकर ऑफ आवर होप। और भविष्य में भी हमारी ख्याति इसी तरह बनी रहे, हमें लोग इसी तरह से हमारी सभ्यता को पहचाने, यही हमारा और यही हमारी जो फर्मनेस है, ये शीट एंकर है। शीट एंकर क्या होता है? सी, दिस इज एंकर। एक्चुअली व्हाट हैपन्स व्हेन द बोट कम्स एट द कोस्ट, जो किनारे पे आता है, तो it is needed to be tied with a rope, and the rope is tied to this anchor and firmly tied in the ground and the sand, so that the boat or the boat doesn't drift away, पानी में के बहाव से बह न जाए, इसलिए बांधा जाता है किनारे with this anchor। तो हमारी जो सभ्यता है, उसको गांधी जी, हमारा जो फर्मनेस है अपनी सभ्यता को लेके, उसको गांधी जी कह रहे हैं कि यही हमारा एंकर का काम करता है। और दुनिया में वी हैव अ डिफरेंट पोजीशन regarding our civilization. Again, in the next paragraph, Gandhi ji says that civilization is the mode of conduct which points out man to the path of duty. Performance of duty or observance of morality, both are convertible terms. And to observe morality is to attain mastery of our minds and passions. Gandhi ji says that if we want to observe morality, so we have to control ourselves, our mind and our passions, and if we do so, then we win over ourselves. And in Gujarati, Gandhi ji says that in Gujarati, good conduct means civilization, or civilization stands for good conduct. And he says that if this definition be correct, then India, as so many writers have shown, has nothing to learn from anybody else, and this is as it should be. He thinks that our civilization doesn't need any change. Again, he says mind is a restless bird. हमारा मन बहुत चंचल है, and whatever we want, if we desire for something and then we get it, we want more of that, and like this our desire remains unsatisfied. So the more we indulge in our passions, the more unbridled they become. Gandhi ji says that whenever we go for our passion to fulfill our desire or passion, then it becomes uncontrollable. Again we want some more. So our ancestors, हमारे पूर्वज, एक लिमिट बना के रखे थे कि they saw that happiness was largely a mental condition. They said that happiness is your state of mind. If you are satisfied, you are happy. If you are desiring for more and more, you will always be in an unhappy state. So today we will read up till this only, and further meet you in the next video. But at home there is some homework you can. Okay, while I teach, you can take the screenshots in your mobile, and the bold words in bold letters are words which you should know. So you can, I told the Hindi meanings also. If you are conscious, you can take the meanings down in your copy. मैंने हिंदी में भी मीनिंग्स मैं बोलते गई हूँ, और अगर आपने इसमें नहीं लिया है तो ये हार्ड वर्ड्स को आप डिक्शनरी में देखें और इसका मीनिंग अपनी कॉपी पे लिखें. ओके.